Hello,
Yes.
Sitarama is there? Okay, doesn't matter. Shashank, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the last assignment that you did was it EMI calculator? Yeah. After time in
Time.
8 cities, you did EMI calculator, right?
So I
Okay,
think
what
we.
is that? You are seeing something like a zebra crossing there. Yeah, this
Yes, sir.
shows
So
that it
here.
is out of that area, screen area. So can you comment on this and correct it? Can you show where is the problem?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, can you
So
tell the
we are
team
using
why
column
that
widget.
error comes? Like that yellow zebra crossing comes. Why does it come?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we go out of boundary, like if we set a boundary of 100 pixel, if we reach 110 pixel, then it gives zebra crossing,
So that means
saying that
the amount of
what.
data is greater than the display area. Correct? If
Yes,
the
sir.
data exceeds the display area, you will get like this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you debug this?
So for debugging, we have two ways. Uh, Binding the column widget to uh, single child widget,
Okay.
scroll view widget. Then we can scroll the screen.
So tell me exactly what
Another
happened
method
here.
is.
I knew you solved the problem, but tell us
Yes,
exactly what you did. There was a column thing
yes.
and
So
that you had
column
children, right?
takes a. Yes, sir. So column and rows takes the particular screen size as a box size.
Okay.
It assumes that inside the child what we write it will be below the screen ratio.
Hello. Sorry, sir, I was disconnected.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll connect with you little later. Let's start the
Okay,
class.
sir. Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you. Sir. Okay, sir. Let it.
Yeah, can you repeat, Shashank? Not understood properly.
Yes. So column widget takes the 120 pixel width and 250 pixel height. It
Okay.
uh, assumes that width is only fixed for this two parameter.
Hmm.
This single child scroll view what makes is it not decides the particular value for the height and width.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It takes full width of whatever content we have.
Hmm. Okay. So can I try to explain in different way? Now, if we didn't have single child scroll view, that means we have to fit all the data within one screen only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you remove that single child scroll view? Can you remove it and get back the
Yes,
error?
sir.
Is the error still coming? So now technically, if you make the font less, this error should go away, right?
Yes, sir.
Just make the font less instead of 30, make it font size is 20 everywhere.
Yes.
Make it as 20 everywhere. So any one of you can ask questions here. See, what we are trying to do is we want to fit everything into one screen without a scroll view. So I am asking him to see, now that error has gone away because it has fitted into one screen. Okay, now change the font to 30.
Yes.
Now it has gone beyond one screen. Okay. See, now when it is gone beyond one screen, in the bottom, you are getting an error, that yellow zebra crossing kind of thing you are getting, because it is telling that, see, it has exceeded the screen size. So what is the widget which is responsible for this column? Okay. So column had a fixed size. It did not have a scrolling control. Okay, so what he is trying to do now is he is trying to put a scrolling control for that column. That means variable size. So how he did it? He went near the column widget and then wait. Then can you see that bulb, light bulb? There is a light bulb there, and when he went near the light bulb, he has many options. Okay, which option you want to do?
So and to add widget,
Wrap with widget. Which widget?
single child scroll.
Single child scroll view. That means now the
Yes.
column becomes a variable column. Column of variable height. Okay, build it now.
Yes.
Yeah. Where is the scroll? Can you see on the right hand side? This is scroll view. Light. No. Show the scroll. Yes. There is a light colored scroll up and down. No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, all of you are clear on this? Yeah. Thanks. Okay, so now if
Yes.
you go to the next screen now. Sorry, this is one way of
So,
solving. What is the other way of solving? You said
so another way to change column to list view.
list view. Okay, do it.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
will the list view also come with a scrolling option?
Yes, sir. It's defaultly come with the scrolling option.
Yes, very good. Okay, I think this is very important concept for everybody, because almost every data can go beyond one screen. So, column became wrapped with single widget scroll view,
Child.
or we can change that column to list view. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, go to the next screen.
Yes.
We had the EMI calculator. Can you put the EMI calculator? PTR by
Yes.
100. 1 lakh rupees for 3 years with 8% interest. Submit. Okay. Can you increase the font size, please? All of them.
Yes.
Not visible. Increase the font size for PTR also.
Yes.
Okay. So for 1 lakh into 3 into 8, you get EMI. Okay, can you just put the label EMI before 3400?
Yes, sir.
All of you can ask questions here. In the text, within the text widget, he has put a label. Okay. Can you remove the decimal place if possible and make it a whole number for the EMI?
Yes, sir.
So he's
Okay.
this is interesting. He got an error. So let's try to understand what is this error. Read out the error. Type double is not a subtype of type int. So see, in line number 27, he declared it as a int, but on right hand side of line 35 is a double, right?
Yes.
That means there is a, now you have to parse it and make it as a int, right?
Yes, sir. So we have a method called to int, like this method. Yes.
So you converted it to int only for the display
Yes.
purpose, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you put the PTR values in the center if possible, or with a padding?
Yes, sir.
No, no, I wanted it to be in the center, that's all. No, the PTR, can it come in the center of the
Yes.
screen? No need for a new widget.
Uh,
The style
yes.
should be center orientation.
Uh, so we can wrap with the center widget.
Do it slowly, no urgency.
Yes, sir.
You are trying to place the item in the center of the box.
Text.
You're trying to find out alignment, right?
Yes, sir. There is a method called align.
Alignment will come within the text style or
So within the text, I know.
or
But
outside.
here there is. Yes. So within text style, it not come. But
No, just like font size. After font size 30,
yes.
will you get alignment?
No, sir. Here I think no.
Or is it text decoration style? No problem, we can do it later.
Yes.
No, this is not align label. This is the actual
Yes.
value, no? We can do it later.
Yes.
Yeah, you can remove that. We can do it later when you remember. Okay, let's come
Yes.
back. So, any doubts on this EMI calculator, the logic? We have PTR by 100. Okay. So, 1 lakh into 3 into 8, that is 24,000 or something, right? 24,000 divided by 24,000, sorry, how did you get 3,400? 24,000 divided by 36, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, 2 lakh 40,000
Yeah. Yes.
divided by 36, right?
Yes.
Yeah, make it as 1 year.
Yes.
Let us just see whether it's correct or not. If you make it as 1 year, let us see whether it is correct. 1 year will be for 1 lakh is 8,000, is it?
Yes, sir. 8,000.
8,000 divided by 12 is how much? Now, how? There's something wrong.
3 by 4.
Huh? 8,000 plus 1 lakh. 1 lakh 8,000 divided by 12. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts on this logic? Is it correct? Okay. Why don't you just put the total amount also?
Yes.
Just below EMI, can you put total amount payable?
Yes.
No, that amount is already there, no? Line 35 you already
Sir,
declared.
but this is not a local variable.
Okay.
That's
Since that AMT has to be used in the UI, he has to put it outside the method. Now you can. I hope you understood that why he had to put it outside. Total amount is 1 lakh 8,000, right? Okay, good. Fine. Before we move on, any doubts on this? So let's see again the structure. I think yesterday Abhishek was asking about the structure of the code. Let us go from line 1, right from beginning line 1. So we have the two import statements, material dot dart and screen 5 is the next screen which is yet to come. So this is screen 4a extends stateless widget. This is one line, and then in line 8 we have built standard thing: widget, build context, return, material app, home, EMI calculator. So EMI calculator is the name of this particular class. The class is, it is launching EMI calculator. The class is defined in line 15. Class EMI calculator extends stateful widget, EMI calculator super dot key. Then these are again along with EMI calculator, there is another class called state, sorry, underscore EMI calculator state. Can you explain this? This part is a little confusing. Line 15, 16 and 19. Can you please explain?
So this is a stateful class. Inside this, we are storing the current state of the widget, built
Okay.
widget. Here, this is also class, sir. This is a state class where it stores the state and give it to the stateful widget.
So where is that class ending? Line 22, that class, where is
Yes.
it ending?
Uh,
So the entire UI is
Yes,
coming
yeah.
within this second class, right?
Yes, sir.
Abhishek, you have some questions here. Why don't you ask questions? It will help everyone. See, if you collapse, I think if you collapse, you will come to know. Yes. See, there is one class. Slightly go up. Huh? No. See, one class which is in line 15, class EMI calculator, and another class called EMI calculator state. Okay, before EMI calculator state, there is an underscore. So why do you write that underscore?
So it auto generates the code, sir, with underscore.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's go to the next screen and just do that auto generation and stop there so that we can understand that. Now go to screen 5. Where have you moved to? Navigator is pushed to what? No. First you show me the navigator.
Screen 5, sir.
It has got pushed to color by. Okay, now,
Screen 5.
yeah, now you instead of color by values, you push it to temp. Some class called temp.
Yes.
And shows how to build that one empty dart file with a class called temp.
Yes.
Yeah. Abhishek, I want you to ask questions here. We will build
Okay,
it
building
gradually.
stateless widget. So if we write ST, it will
Yeah.
show stateless and stateful.
Okay.
If we click stateless, it will create this variable.
Yeah. Okay, 1 minute.
Here we
So,
want to give,
no, just delete it and do it again, just for our this one.
yes,
ST and enter.
yes,
Stateless. Okay, this part is auto generated by Android Studio, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, now write it as you want to write it as temp, or what is this?
Temps.
Okay, but the other temp state did not get created, no?
No, sir, it will create only for stateful widget.
Okay, so then this is not temp. Then this is maybe temp 1. We'll just call it temp 1 now.
Yes.
Now you create temp as a stateful widget.
Yes.
ST again.
So same method. Yes.
Yeah, stateful.
Stateful.
Now call it as temp.
Is it possible to have only stateful?
Yeah, it is possible.
Oh, okay. So then we can remove stateless widget, right?
Yeah, we can, but it is best practice to wrap stateless widget into stateful widget into stateless widget, because
Ah,
once if I want to build it, it may build for another screen also while
oh, okay.
rebuilding.
So a good practice is to first write a stateless widget with some name and then
Yes.
write a stateful widget with another name, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So see this part, this much doesn't, it appears like a very big code, but it is auto generated. Let's do one thing, let's delete everything and do it again. This time, Abhishek, are you there? I want you to speak up, Abhishek. So I'll tell you ST,
Yes.
ST. Now we'll do stateless,
Yes.
and we'll give it as we'll call it as uh, app one. Just call it as app one. App. Okay. Next, we'll make it as stateful. ST. Yeah. Then you call it as uh, temp. TEMP. See, as and when he is writing temp, 1 minute, just remove temp and write something else. No, you delete line 10 onwards and do it again. Yeah, see,
What
when
is
you
the
do
difference?
ST, enter.
What is the difference between
See, just
stateful
1 minute, Kishan. When he writes something in line 10, something is changing in line 17 also. Can you just see? Write temp, TEMP, MP. Yeah. See, can you see? It got changed in line 17 also. Yeah, Kishan, what is the question?
Yeah, what is the difference between stateless and stateful?
Stateless widget is it doesn't save the state, means yeah, if it is a current state, if I
Okay.
want to change 9,000
Oh, it
to
doesn't change.
10,000,
Okay.
yeah,
It's not
it is
dynamic.
fixed widget. Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay. Stateful is dynamic.
yeah, we can dynamically change the widgets or
Ah,
etc.
okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Understood.
after
Yeah,
doing
so
this,
if
what is the next step here? If I want to write hello world here, where should I write
yes.
the UI logic here?
So first we want to change this to material app.
Yeah, okay,
So here at home we can write this class name.
okay. So, say, observe carefully. There is a bigger stateless widget which is housing the stateful widget. The stateful widget now is become part of the stateless widget. See, outer wrapper you can say stateless widget, and in which we are housing the stateful widget. See, what he has written in line 9, temp, is the name of the class which is in which is written in line 14. Okay, can you do it again? Can you delete this whole thing and do it again? I want any one of you to ask questions here, or we can do it in your screen. After this, can we do it in Sitarama's screen? At least she is. Yeah.
So we can instead use stateful widget for all the screen instead of stateless widget also. We can.
No, we'll go with your approach only. Stateless you do.
Yes.
Okay, just call it as app1.
Yes.
Now you create a stateful. Call it as temp. Okay, now in line 6, you have to
Get a material apps.
hmm, run material app,
Home
enclose,
temp.
Okay, now where do I write hello world here?
So here in another class.
Hmm.
So here we
Sir,
want to
what
use
does the
scaffold user.
material app do?
Yeah, Abhishek, what is the question?
What does the material app method do?
It creates the necessary things to create a screen.
Basically, the UI or the how the screen will appear, right?
Yeah, it is initialize the material. It is initialize the screen usually.
Okay.
You can say material app is you can say a super class here for all the UI elements. Okay?
Sir, hello.
Yeah. Oh, one minute, Kishan, just 1 minute. So
Yeah.
just to understand the structure, so you have written material app and you have written home, okay, and temp, saying that now within the material app, if you want a detailed UI structure, you have to go to temp state, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what it means. It is redirecting in line 9, it is redirecting us to the actual UI implementation which is in line 21 onwards. Okay. Yeah, so in line 24, can you write hello world? I'll come back to you, Kishan, 1 minute. Yeah, so write hello world there.
Yeah, the body. Okay, right. Text.
Yeah, enough.
Yes.
So just build this app now.
Yes. And here,
No, not here. After PTR, no? Okay, after the end, no? After
yes.
the end. Okay.
So here we have two classes. We can choose anyone.
Okay.
But if we choose this,
Temp.
if we choose this class, it will store the state, or else we can't go back from the stateless widget.
Okay.
Yes. Hello.
So hello world is coming there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so now Kishan, what was your question?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you please scroll up?
Yeah.
Yeah. So by doing line number 8 to line number 10, this
Yeah.
stateless widget becomes a part of the stateful widget, is it?
No, stateless widget becomes a wrapper around the stateful widget.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See, it is redirecting, the stateless widget is redirecting it to go to the stateful widget now.
So now status widget is the part of stateful widget.
I won't say, see, at the highest level, you have the app1 class. Okay.
Okay.
From there, it is going to the temp class.
Oh, it's going inside the temp class.
Yeah. Because
Oh,
it
okay,
is
okay.
returning, see, material app home in the return statement. Okay.
Okay.
Material app home temp.
Okay, okay.
So
So
what is the
home
temp
is
class? Temp class is in defined in line 14 and line 21.
yeah. So now, which means that the stateful widget temp will wrap the stateless widget.
Uh, I mean,
I
at a
mean, not
hierarchical level, the stateless is at the higher level, right? Here.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay,
Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
and then it is calling the stateful widget, which is having two parts. One is the temp and other is temp state.
Ah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Abhishek, would you like to share your screen so that we can do it on your machine? Or Sitarama, would you like to share it on your screen?
So my network over here is a bit not proper.
Okay. Yeah, Sitarama, can you share your screen? Are you there, Sitarama?
Yeah, sir. Wait 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, can
We'll
you
share.
share your screen? So we'll do it on your screen, because I think this part is the critical part where there's no need to copy from GitHub. You have to just use the shortcut commands which are there.
Okay, I should create a new dart.
Create a new screen too. We'll just create a, you know,
Screen 2, no, sir?
yeah, screen 2 dot dart. I think only screen 2 is enough, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now carefully, Shashank, you please direct what you should do.
Yeah. Type SD. Next control space. Okay.
Stateless, no? Stateless.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to type here temp, not
We'll
cut
call it
down.
screen 2, no, right? Screen 2. No, let screen S be capital, right? That's the
Yes.
convention, right?
Yes. We can.
What is the convention? Is it uppercase or you can do it lower?
Yes. It suggests to make uppercase in
Okay, okay.
classes.
Yeah, now we'll create a stateful widget in line 9. ST stateful. Here you call it calculator. Calculator. Okay. Now in line 6, return material app home calculator.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you come to line 22, after, yeah, this entire thing we have to remove and say material page, what is it?
It's a scaffold widget.
Scaffold. Yes, capital.
S should be capital.
Scaffold inside it.
Text widget.
Body or
Body, correct.
Yeah.
body, then
Colon. So whatever is to the left of the colon is called an attribute, no?
attribute.
Yes. Attribute.
Attribute, and whatever is to the right is the value. Text, text,
Yes.
round bracket. Now we write hello world. Then how do you write the decoration now?
So after closing the double quotes.
Within the round bracket. Within the round bracket,
Yes.
yeah, comma, text decoration or input decoration.
Style.
Style is the attribute. Now just see, style is the attribute.
Style Font
Text style.
text type.
This is a class name. Text style is
Text
Text
style.
S capital.
Okay.
Inside that
Font
font
size.
size.
Font size is the again the attribute, and the value is F capital
30 directly.
or directly 30. You can say.
And
Okay.
put the
Fine.
semicolon on 25th line.
Okay.
Wait a minute. That comma, is it required after line in line 24 at the end of it? Comma is required.
Then 24 after the, yeah, it's okay. We can, we can't.
We can, or we, even if you don't put also, it's okay.
Yes, sir. So, but each attribute will be separated by comma.
Okay. So now to reach here in screen 1, we have to do something, right? In screen 1, we have to call the calculator.
Yes.
Yeah, on pressed navigator dot push navigator dot
Open, we want to give
Function,
empty
right?
basis.
Okay, okay.
No, don't do like that.
Yeah. If it is a single line function, we can use is equal to and greater than symbol instead of open cover brackets.
Okay. Navigator dot
Push.
push.
You teach us only one way, standard way. Don't teach too many variations. Even if it is
Yes.
a little inefficient, it's okay. One standard way will learn.
Okay, sir.
Context, I think.
Here, context, comma,
Context, comma, material page route, bracket, instead of builder, put two parentheses, then redirection symbol equal to and greater
say
than sign,
inside parenthesis
Content.
context.
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 and then
XT.
you have to write calculator there. Right. So that means you are directing it to the class which is there in the next screen. So now you will have to import
Yes.
this screen, right?
Yes.
You have to
It's
import.
already imported, sir.
Show me where it is imported.
Uh,
In screen 2, it should import, right?
yeah. It is not imported because the class name is in screen 1 also, I think. Yeah, same class name for
Yeah.
the
Class
both.
calculator.
Oh, okay. Instead of calculator, we'll give it some other name. App 2, you call it. App 2. Go to screen 2 dot dot and do app 2.
Or you can use Control R also.
Control R.
Yeah. Here write calculator and
Sir, okay. I should write here what to replace.
app
What?
2.
app to
Replace.
replace all.
Replace all. Okay. Is it finished?
Yeah. On screen one, import the hover on it.
Is it correct? It's showing.
Yeah, or else hover on it. Hover on app to import library. Hover means
Here, import library package.
yeah, okay.
Okay.
And put semicolon after the
After
there
or inside the
semicolon.
Semicolon, not
comma.
comma.
semicolon. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Should I run it, sir?
No, there is some error.
On
Did you
screen
save
one?
the files?
I have error in main only, sir. So here.
Yeah, calculator. Oh, it got changed in.
Yes.
Okay, it's
No. Error is gone.
Yes.
yeah, sir.
Okay. Anybody else would like to share the screen and try out? Kirtan, you want to try?
Sir, I would like to try, but I don't have Android Studio installed.
Okay, maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get Sitaram only to build the next screen. Can you make that?
Sir, how can I go from one screen to one? It is not going.
Yeah, no.
It's
So
okay. It's,
yeah. So now from screen 2, can you go to screen 3? Can you make a screen 3 now?
okay, sir.
We'll make RGB color. We'll build an RGB color palette here.
Okay, sir.
Wait, what are you doing? New dot file, screen 3 dot.
Screen 3. Okay.
Okay, let me explain what is supposed to do. You have to take three values RGB and you have to show the color. If R is 255, G is 0 and B is 0, then it should show red color. If R is 0, G is 255 and B is 0, then you should show blue color. Okay.
Okay.
So how many input boxes? Three input boxes
3. Good.
and one output box, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us decide the name of the stateless widget. Stateless widget should be screen 3 and stateful widget should be app 4. Okay.
Stateless screen 3, no, sir.
Screen 3, uppercase.
Screen 3.
Yeah. And stateful widget should be app 3. App 3.
App 3. Okay.
Yeah. Now that placeholder will become material app home app 3.
Home app 3.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Next.
So here in line 23, return scaffold.
Scaffold.
Yes, Captain.
Scaffold.
Okay. So now here we need three input boxes. So
Yes.
we need a column widget, right, Shashank?
Column widget.
We want to use column widget.
Yeah. Column widget.
Here body.
First body,
Yeah.
column,
Colon, yes, sir. Body colon.
Column, COLUMN. Column is the name of
Okay.
widget.
Okay. Capital or small? Sir?
Capital. Widget name is all capital one. Correct.
Okay.
Enter. Now we need three elements inside this, right? One below the other.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And there should be
children.
text field
Yes.
because they have to be entry of field. So what should we write? Text field, right? Or child?
Sir, here children.
Children.
Yes.
Is it correct, children?
Yeah, children.
Children.
So why you have to write children? Because it's an array, right?
Array. Okay, array.
Yeah.
Three
Ah,
boxes
sir, we can.
for try.
Yeah. Enter.
Enter.
There are text field.
Text field.
Is it capital, sir? Text.
Yeah, every widget is we can call as class. Usually class name will be start from capital letter only.
Okay. Text field.
After that comma.
Inside.
Inside don't write anything. Just let us make it
Okay.
simple.
Okay.
Comma.
Comma.
Can I write one more text field? Enter.
Enter.
Enter. Text
One more
field.
text field.
Okay.
This is
Comma.
for RGB. One more text field.
Okay.
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 So let's.
Should I close?
This is enough. Let's just build it and let's see. Will it work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But
So should I
in screen 2 we have to navigate to screen 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Ah, sir.
on pressed. Oh, we have to create a
After
floating
the
action
body.
button. No, we have to
After
create a floating action button here.
On tab. I think
Yes,
it's
sir.
on
After
tab.
24th line,
24th line.
there put comma.
Okay.
Here a floating action button. F should be small.
Floating action button.
Here capital floating action button. F should be capital. Class name.
Okay. On pressed.
Yeah. Instead of on pressed, we want to put two parentheses.
Okay.
Open close parenthesis. And here we want to open flower bracket.
Okay.
Here navigator dot.
Navigator dot.
Push.
Navigator dot push off. Push off. Context of.
Here,
Material
instead
page
of
route.
route.
It will be material page route.
Instead of context.
No. Why did you remove the
No,
round
instead
bracket?
of-
You should not remove the Control Z. You should not have removed the round bracket. You should keep only route you remove. Only route you remove it and say material page route. Never disturb the structure of the code.
Okay.
Now instead of builder, two parentheses within that context. Then outside that equal to and greater than sign.
Okay.
And we will call all it as
Screen.
app3.
Okay. App 3.
Shashank, for now, until everybody learns, let us call the screen as screen 2, screen 3, and within that we will always call it as app 2, app 3 only. Okay?
Okay.
App 3.
Yeah. So now app 3 has to be
After
imported,
app
right?
3,
You have to import
parenthesis.
app
After app
3 round bracket.
Parenthesis. we
Yeah.
want to put.
Is it correct, sir?
Yeah, and we need a
Semicolon.
at the end. No, not
Last.
there. At the end of that line, semicolon.
Okay.
And we have to import it, I think.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us build it. Let us see without any decoration, 3 text fields, whether it comes or not.
Yes. Should I run it, sir?
Yeah.
No, there is below a button, yellow color. You can see. Yeah,
Should I
Yeah.
press it?
yeah.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Urgent call is coming. Hello.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute, sir. Hello. Hello.
Anybody who's interested in doing it on their laptop, please come prepared tomorrow. You can join 5 minutes early so that we can have your environment ready.
Sir, should we come with Android Studio installed?
Yeah, I think it's better because
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Shashank is comfortable doing it with Android Studio.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other questions? We have crossed the time limit, so we might wind up after Sitarama comes back. Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, Radhika, Nikita, Sujan, Abhishek, Kirtan, Deepa, Srinivas, Vikrant, Pragna, Annapurna.
Hello, sir.
And
Okay, so what we are trying to do is we are trying to take
Sir,
RGB
I'm back,
values.
sir.
Huh?
I'm back, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, can you build it and go in the emulator? Go and go to the next screen. The emulator.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
So
go
I
to the
trying.
think
next
it's
screen.
already built. Go to next screen.
Next screen. No, no, in the emulator, not there. In the mobile emulator. Go to the next screen. Yeah, again next screen. Yeah, hello world. Did
Yes, sir.
you
3 box.
wait in can you see three this one there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so these are three things. I think it's yeah, we don't have time today, so we can close it. Tomorrow what we have to do is below this we'll have to create one box which shows the color. Okay?
Below these 3
Yeah,
lines.
below these three we'll have to create one box which shows the color and we'll have
Okay.
to form the RGB values depending on what you enter there. Can you enter something there? 100, 100, 100
Oh,
in that box in the emulator. In the emulator, yeah. Is it allowing you to enter 100? Yeah,
yeah, yeah, sir.
100. Yeah, put 100, 0, 0. Next line is 0. Next is 0. Not 0, 0, just 0. 1, 0.
10.
I mean, not 0, 0. Just make it 0. 1, 0, not 1, 0, yeah. Single
Okay,
0.
okay. Oh,
Just
single
0
0.
and 0 again. So this
Okay.
should give some red value, right? 100, 0, 0, R is 100, G is 0, B is 0. So it should give a red color here. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
We will make a box with background color as red. Okay.
Right. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can you stop sharing for a minute?
Okay, sir.
So I had sent a few emails on mobile app development day 2. I think it was color, right?
Yes, sir. Based on cover.
I don't remember what I sent. Do you remember I had sent a mail 2 days back?
Yes, sir. So I think I forwarded it to you.
Hmm? Okay, forward it to
So I
me.
just forward.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see this, all of you? In text field, we are capturing some value. That value we have to make it into an integer. Sitarama, R value is integer dot parse will give you R value. This will give you G value, and this will give you B value, RGB. And in a container, okay, we write the color as color from RGBO, RGB1, opacity is 1, RGB1. So if this is 255, if this is 0, if this is 0 and this is 1, this color will become red. Okay, and the red color will have a height of 400 and width as whatever is the size of the screen. Width, not size of the screen, size of the context at this point. That means before this, whatever was the width given, that size of that context will be the width. In this case, it will be the entire width, and height we have made it as 400. So this is the color of the container. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and why we are putting set state is because as soon as I change the value, it should change the state. That's why it is enclosed in set state.
Set straight.
Initial value of R, G and B are 0. Then we are written in scaffold in that column, in that children. In children, right now we have put 3 text field but without on change value. Here we are writing on change and enclose it in the set state. Are you clear about this?
Yeah, sir. That RGB stores the color or the
No,
text what we have
RGB
entered?
stores an integer value. This is an integer
Integer
value.
value.
Whatever you
So what?
entered, you entered R was 100 in your case, G was 0 in your case, and B was 0.
Yeah, sir. If we enter, if we does not give any value for B and G, it automatically take default value 0, or
That I don't
we
know.
should enter.
When this is null, whether it will take 0, I am not sure. Shashank?
So I initialize as a 0 in
Yeah, it will be
first line.
initialized as 0, correct. So it will be taken as 0 default. Uh, Sitarama, did you get this email? Because if you get this email, then you would have got it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and it is there in, if you see screen5.dot in GitHub, it is there already. Okay.
Okay, sir. But I will see, sir. One.
Yeah, so whatever we try to do, it is already there so that it will help you to refer. Okay. Okay,
No,
so
sir.
thank you
Not
very
yet.
much. Any other doubts you have?
No, sir. Sir, not yet come, sir.